agriculture and floriculture.
Right, so meanwhile, Safaricom has opened up its Mpesa platform to rivals Airtel and Telkom, giving the telcos a potential lifeline to grow their fledgling mobile money business. The Communications Authority of Kenya, that is CA, and Central Bank of Kenya led the launch of the interoperable platforms that will allow Airtel and Telkom customers to make payments to businesses.
To make payments from their wallet of their choice. In the end, most of it has been said. As team said, that Kenya is the pioneer for increasing the digital inclusion and the financial inclusion
across the industry. SMEs, micro SMEs, Lipa na Mpesa, Pochi la Biashara, and all we are trying to do is just push deep and further the financial inclusion. And then we have a very supportive regulator who is very keen to champion this particular transformation agenda of financial inclusion.
It's an exciting day. It's a good day. It's a good day because we're offering, or we're launching a feature that has benefit to our customers. We're continuing on the journey of interoperability and making sure that the second phase of it, pay bill interoperability, is actually real.
Right, so from that story about Safaricom